Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a bit different. Let's get started. You'll need a dust sticker, alcohol wipe, two tempered glass screen protectors, and a squeegee. First, start by cleaning off the screen with the alcohol wipe. Make sure to thoroughly wipe the screen to remove any dust or fingerprints. Once cleaned, dry off the screen with a lint-free cloth. Now, take one of your screen protectors and carefully remove the protective backing. Align the screen protector with the edges of your phone's screen and slide your finger from left to right to ensure proper adhesion. Wait for about 30 seconds to allow the screen protector to set. Remove the sticker from the top and lift up the plastic cover. Then, carefully peel off the protective layer from the screen protector. If you notice any air bubbles, use the squeegee gently to smooth them out. Once you've applied the screen protector, double-check for any remaining air bubbles and ensure that the edges are properly sealed. Repeat the same process if you're applying a second screen protector or if you encounter any issues. We've successfully protected our phone's screen from scratches and damage. Let's test out our fingerprint sensor. If you encounter any issues, simply go to the settings and remove and add a new fingerprint. Additionally, let's test our S Pen. As you can see, the S Pen works perfectly, and I don't see any issues there. Now that our screen is protected, let's move on to the case. I've chosen a protective case that not only shields the phone from drops and scratches, but also has a cover on the back for the camera lenses. Now, our phones are not only stylish, but also well protected. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.